We made it to the end of part 4. Let us do a quick recap before we move on to part 5. Here's what we covered. Keyframe animation, where we learned how to add custom movement like zoom, pan, and rotation to any clip to create dynamic and engaging edits. Then we jumped into advanced transitions to create a smooth and professional flow between our clips. No more jarring cuts like in the old days. Next up was masking, where we explored how to reveal hidden parts of a video, clone effects, and even split screens to add visual interest and a creative flair to our projects. After that, we went full throttle with speed ramping to make our videos more dramatic and stylish with smooth slow-mo and speed-ups. Then we delved into motion tracking, which lets us attach text, stickers, or effects that follow an object naturally, creating a more engaging and immersive experience for our viewers. Following that, we learned cinematic color grading to set the mood of our videos with LUTs and advanced color adjustments to give them a more professional and visually appealing look. We also covered special effects and filters to use those amazing pre-made effects to add flair and creativity to our projects. Before diving into text animation and effects, we learned how to make our titles eye-catching and professional with a range of cool animations and adjustments. Then we wrapped up part 4 with 3D zoom and camera tricks to add depth and motion to our videos for a more movie-like look. And we also covered overlay and blending modes to layer our visuals and create glowing, double exposure, and cinematic effects. And that's a wrap for part 4. Wow, you've come a long way. Now, if you're still with me, here's your reward. Now let us head on to part 5. Audio mastery in CapCut, where we learn how to make your sound match your visuals, because great video editing is not just about what you see, but also what you hear. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this series with your fellow beginners to help them grow their editing skills. Your support means a lot, and I can't thank you enough for being here. Until next time, happy editing.